Assalamu alaikum guys. I hope you all are doing well. Welcome to my YouTube channel, A Trending Fashion. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Today, I selected trendy long layers haircuts as per demand of friends and girls. As for the trending haircuts to watch out for curved skirts and butterfly cuts. Definitely, layers are pretty much a part of any haircut, unless you got a short bob. It's depending on the shape you want to create. It is generally done in the internal areas, top, back, and sides. If you have hairs that is textured, then I will recommend a layer haircut. It will enhance the beauty of your face, definitely. Thanks for watching.